I keep forgetting English vocabulary. What to do and how to fix it. Introduction. Welcome back to English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very common problem that many English learners face. Forgetting vocabulary again and again. You learn a new word today, and the next day it disappears from your mind. If this happens to you, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain why it happens and give you simple, effective techniques to remember English vocabulary easily and for a long time. Let's get started. Why do we forget English words? Before we talk about solutions, we need to understand the reason behind this problem. There are a few common reasons why learners forget vocabulary. No repetition. Learning a word once is not enough. If you don't use or review the word, you'll forget it. Lack of context. If you memorize a word without knowing how to use it in real life, it won't stay in your memory. Too many words at once. Trying to learn 20 or 30 words in one day can overload your brain. Not using the word. If you never speak or write the word, it stays passive in your memory and soon disappears. The good news is that there are many ways to solve this. Let's talk about some easy and practical solutions. 1. Learn fewer words, but learn them better. It's better to learn 5 words deeply than to memorize 20 words without understanding. Focus on quality, not quantity. For each new word, try to learn the meaning, 1 or 2 example sentences, how to pronounce it, a similar word, synonym, or opposite word, antonym. Spend time with each word. This helps your brain remember it for a longer time. 2. Use the word in your daily life. When you use a new word in speaking or writing, it becomes active in your memory. You don't need to wait for a perfect moment to use it. Make simple sentences using the word and say them aloud or write them down. For example, if you learn the word confused, say, "I was confused in class today. This question makes me feel confused." When you use the word in different situations, it becomes more natural to you. 3. Make vocabulary personal. Connect the word to your real life. Your brain remembers personal things better than random information. If you learn the word excited, think of a real moment when you felt excited. I was excited when I got my first job. I feel excited before my birthday. This makes the word more meaningful, and your mind will remember it more easily. 4. Use flashcards and spaced repetition. Flashcards are a great way to review vocabulary. Write the word on one side and the meaning or a sentence on the other. But don't review all cards every day. Use spaced repetition. This means reviewing words after 1 day, then 3 days, then 7 days, and so on. This pattern trains your brain to keep the word in long-term memory. You can use apps like Anki or Quizlet or make paper flashcards. It works either way. 5. Read and listen to English every day. When you read English books, articles, or watch English videos, you see and hear words again and again. This natural repetition helps you remember them. If you read or hear a word 3 or 4 times in different contexts, you're more likely to remember it. Try reading a short story, watching English news, or listening to a podcast regularly. If you don't understand every word, that's okay. Focus on recognizing familiar words and learning a few new ones every day. 6. Group words by topic. Instead of learning random words, try to learn them in categories. For example, food, apple, rice, vegetables, hungry, delicious. Emotions, Happy, sad, angry, excited, nervous. This helps your brain organize words like a map. When you try to remember one word, other related words come to mind more easily. 7. Practice speaking with a partner. Find a speaking partner, teacher, or join a conversation club. When you talk with someone, you naturally try to use new words you've learned. This not only improves your speaking skills, but also helps your brain store vocabulary because you're using it in real situations. Even talking to yourself in English can help. For example, today I feel tired because I didn't sleep well. I will go shopping and buy some vegetables. Keep a vocabulary notebook. Write down every new word you learn in a notebook. Don't just write the word right. Its meaning, a sentence. Its pronunciation, date when you learned it. Every few days, review your notebook. This simple habit will make your vocabulary stronger over time. 9. Make pictures in your mind. Try to create a mental image for every new word. If the word is climb, imagine someone climbing a mountain. This is called visual memory, and it's very powerful. Sometimes drawing a small picture next to the word in your notebook also helps. 10. Be patient and stay consistent. Learning vocabulary takes time. It's okay to forget sometimes. That's normal. The key is not to give up. If you review words regularly, use them in conversation, and enjoy the learning process, your vocabulary will grow stronger day by day. Conclusion. So in this video, we talked about how to stop forgetting English vocabulary. We discussed the main reasons why this happens and shared some powerful techniques like using the word in your daily life, making vocabulary personal, using flashcards and spaced repetition, reading and listening to English, learning in categories, and speaking regularly. Remember, building vocabulary is not a one-day job. It takes time and regular practice. But if you follow these tips, you'll see a big difference in your memory and confidence. Thank you for watching English with Altaf. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who are also learning English. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.